a Tetris Cube 3D puzzle. Come with a booklet, the rule and different challenge. We have also 16 pieces and all the pieces are in their correct orientations. Alors, for the challenge, we're going to make a couple of challenge. Let's see, starting with this one. We need to make 8 by 8 by 1 square, and we need to respect the Tetrimino rule, meaning we can rotate left or right the piece, like that, but we cannot flip the piece. This is not allowed. Donc we need to find another 8 by 8 by 1 square. Alors, let's see, if I start with these two pieces, can I find here? Let's see, I can make this one, maybe this one. Okay, go respect this one like that. Let's see, if I place this piece, okay, just rotate the piece. I can have this one, that will be good. What else? Alors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 3 more. Donc, 3 more. Okay. Alors, I have this piece. Can go. This one can go like that. I have this one and this one. Okay. We have solved one challenge. Alors, we can take another challenge. Let's see what we can do. Here, maybe simple. Make a 4 by 16 by 1 rectangle. Donc 4 by 1 by 16 rectangle. Okay. Let's see. And we need to. Okay, got 4 here. Can make this. Can have the red. Have red piece. Can have this one. On va mettre here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ok. 12, 14, 15. Okay, that will be some things like that. Okay. Need to do some adjustments here. Okay. 16. Let's see if I place this one like that. I can have this one that will work. This will be a problem. I need to maybe switch the. Okay, we got this one here. We got this one. This one can go, and this is not. I cannot flip the piece. Let's see. This will work. If I press this one like that. Okay. I have this one and this one. And we are done. Okay, let's see, another challenge. Maybe this one. Alors, we need to complete a 4 by 4 cube by starting with the blue piece straight. We need to respect the orientation of the piece, and they give us the way to place some piece. Okay, alors I have this one. Okay, I have this green piece going here. I have this one, let's see, going like that. I have this piece above another piece. It's this one. I'm going to place the piece like that. I can go this way, we'll see. What else? We have a red piece. Will be placed. Just going to move that out of the way. This way. That will work. What else? Yes, we have this piece. I think this piece, yes, let's see, need to be of same level of that, donc need to be placed like that. Donc I think that maybe the piece go like that. That will be good. And we need to complete. This piece go here. That will be correct. And let's see. And also I have this piece go here. Donc I need another piece go there. What can go there? Let's see. I can have no, really not good. Which piece can go there? Yeah, this one go here. Oh, that's it. Okay, let's see. Turn the stuff. Okay, this piece go here, or maybe this one is not. Let's see. I know I have a red piece. I show a red piece. I show that something like that. I can have this piece like that. That will work. Alors, let's see. If I place this piece like that, I will work. And let's see. Go rotate the stuff. I can place in that case this piece here. And I have this piece there. And this piece can go like that. Donc that will be like on the picture. Donc I need to find the other piece. Okay, alors here, oops. I need a piece that go. Alors this one can go. That will be correct. Okay, alors here, what can I go? I need two. Let's see, here c'est one. I think this piece can go here. That will work. Alors maybe, no, this piece like that. Also I have this one. Maybe this one go here. I don't know. Alors in that case I can place this one there. And I need to place the other one. Let's see. If I place this one here, that one like that. Okay, alors this one can go like that. That will work. Let's see, this one here. No, here. Need to see a cube here. Maybe, okay. I know this piece can go like that, but this will be not correct. Okay, alors maybe. Okay, that's the orientations of the piece. Or maybe this one, let's see. I place this piece here. This piece can go like that. But no. This can go like that. And this piece can go like that. I think it's done. We have and we still have another couple of challenges. Okay, that's the way to play Tetris 3D Cube. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.